Hey basketballers, we welcome you in our fourth after-school basketball activity video. Over to Mr. Akram for the details.
Hi basketballers, I hope you are doing well, and we had 3 basketball videos in end of term 1 and starting of term 2. After that we could not continue this activity due to pandemic precautions. Now we again got permission to start after school individual basketball skills at home. We hope you will enjoy it. This video is from grade number 5 to 12. That's why I focus this video on very basic fundamentals. We had learned dribbling skills in last 3 videos. Today we will learn the passing principles, and let's do warm up first. Warm up with the ball. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Now running with the ball. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now, you know the basketball stance, feet apart like shoulder width. And you will do 50 dribbles with the right hand, then 50 with the left, then 50 with the alternate hand. Let's we start with the right hand first. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15. Now 50 with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Try to look at the front. 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay, now 50 dribble with the alternate hands. Very simple, basic, like this. 1, 2, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay. Now we done our warm up with the basketball. Now we move to our passing skill. Okay, now students, today our basic lesson of passing. Today we learn 3 types of passing because grade 5 is also in this club. And first technique in passing is we learn simple chest to chest pass, because in this pandemic situation I'm using my gym wall. You can have your home corridor boundary wall, you can use it, or if your parent or your siblings they love basketball, you can choose one buddy. You can do passing between your brother, sister or father. Okay, now first basic skill is your feet should be apart like shoulder width, your knees bend, and you grab the ball like this. Okay, you grab the ball like this. When you, okay, I take one step back. When you pass the ball, you have to take one step in. Then from here you are to push the ball and get the ball and get back. This is the technique of chest passing. Now you can do it 10 times, 15 times, or you can start it with 5 times. Up to you, because this is a learning skill. You must be master in it, because in the game, good passes always causes a good score and teams win due to good passing. Okay, stance. Your trunk is bending straight. Yes, knees are bending forward. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can use my right foot for passing, stepping in. 1, 2, 3, and make sure you throw the ball like this. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this was our simple pass, chest to chest pass in basketball term. Now we move to bouncing pass. The technique is same as we did in chest to chest pass. Now in bouncing pass, now you have to make sure you bounce the ball at a certain place. That ball hit the ball and it rebounds back to your hands. Okay. Stance, one step in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 times with the taking right step. 1, 2, 3. I did mistake, it happens, part of training. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, students, now do not go anywhere. It suggests 3-minute water break. Drink water, be hydrated, and get back. See you after the break. Okay, welcome you after the break. Okay, now we have the last skill, that is high pass, or you can say low pass. In the game it really works to give the pass to your big man, and especially in between the restricted area. And this passes, the technique is very simple, you should know it. Okay, now here, see, you hold the ball, see, the stance is you hold the ball, and from here, this is triple threat position. From here, you may shoot, you may pass, or you may overhead pass, or you may do long pass. You have variety of skills over here to smartly engage the defender. Okay. High pass or long passes, you throw the ball quickly over the height of that defender, and that defender even do jump, and definitely you are smart if you pass this, you will not be able to get it. It's very simple. Just pass like this. 1, 2, 1, big pass. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and okay. Now, dear students, it was all about 3 skills in passing. We hope you will enjoy these 3 skills. Now, one thing your coach want to share it with you. The circumstances nowadays in the whole world is not anybody's control. It's not even my control, your control, or in school control. It's up to the advice of the health specialist. They guide us, okay, within that limitation or space we can enjoy our life. Just I want to quote this, okay, this is your life, this is my life, this is our school life. We do not want to waste it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us this chance, okay, we cannot play together, we cannot shake hands, we cannot play contact game. It does not mean that we do not enjoy our lifestyle. We can enjoy to engage ourselves in these activities, in these individual skills. You can do it at home, alone, or with the proper distance with your buddy, your father, your mother, your sister, or your brother. And please, this is a request from your coach. And we coaches, I am Muhammad Akram and Miss Bushra from the girls. We hope that you will consider our this request, and instead of watching movies or just sitting on the net in extra time, not studying, we will really appreciate if you contribute to these skills in your life. Hope so, okay, you will enjoy and stay blessed, stay healthy, and we'll see inshallah in next video with a new skill. Till next time, Allah Hafiz from Mrs. Bushra and your coach Mr. Akram. Bye bye, take care.
Bye, take care, students.